Hi everyone! Today I'm trying out a coloring app. I've seen images that have been colored in these types of apps on Instagram for a few years, but I haven't tried them out myself, so let's do that together. I chose Colorfy since it seems to be one of the most popular coloring apps and therefore would be frequently maintained. I didn't watch any videos about it beforehand, so let's just see how it works. I did, however, read the description of the app so I'd know what to expect. I'm not affiliated with this app directly, but there's an Amazon affiliate link below if you want to check it out on an Android device. The app is free and has ads, but there are in-app purchases. So you have line arts of different topics from flowers to characters, animals and buildings, and there are different difficulty levels based on how detailed the image is. This is the basic coloring feature of the app. Now in the special features you can draw your own mandala by swiping the screen. You can change the line width or add shapes to it and then color it. They have different color schemes you can use. You just tap the color below and then tap the area you want to color. You can also use gradients and different brush tools. When you're done, you can edit the image by adding filters, textures and changing the line color. And then you can share it on Facebook or Instagram if you connect those to the app. Or you can share on Colorfy itself. You can also take a photo of your drawing on paper and color that. I had some difficulty getting a good photo and had to try it a few times. Then it turned out that, of course, if you don't have the lines clearly touching, it's going to color in larger areas than you intended. In my case, I probably had the issue with the original drawing. It's an ink drawing for a coloring page, and I usually edit them after scanning to fix issues like this. But increasing the line width might help. I got some extra black dots on the photo if I did that though. Besides the ready-made color schemes, you can just use all the colors. And if you want to reuse a color, you can tap and hold that area to pick the color. You can also zoom in and out on the picture to make it easier to color details. My finished image was a bit of a train wreck since the lines were not properly touching, so I tried to hide it with filters. The app was working a bit slow and I wondered if I ended up accidentally sharing this image on Colorfy, and yeah, I did, because I found it in the Get Inspired tab afterwards. I don't know if that automatically makes it possible for anyone to use my line art though, or if they can just see the colored image. But I unpublished the image from the Colorfy gallery afterwards, just in case. Strangely, Colorfy makes you log in to Facebook before you can remove an image. And since we're on that, I do make printable coloring pages, so if you want to check them out, I leave a link to my free samples and my Etsy shop below. I also tried taking a photo of a painting to see what that would look like. Well, not that great since it isn't a painting with line art, but I tried some filters on it anyway. The third feature of the Create tab is to write and color your own message. So you can write text, choose a font, add frames or background patterns and stickers and then color it in as usual. I also tried the basic coloring feature by coloring in the line arts they offer. I'm doing this as part of a little coloring series, so I'm trying out different coloring related products, kits and now apps. I link to the playlist below and on the screen. So far I've tried out paint by numbers and diamond painting. They're not coloring products per se, but the idea is DIY art, so art in a crafty way. You don't need to be skilled at drawing, it's just something relaxing to do and the result will look nice anyway. If you want me to try out different coloring apps, I can do that too though. Now, this coloring app claims to be a relaxing experience, but is it actually as relaxing staring and tapping a small screen as it is physically coloring in the form of coloring books, coloring pages, or things like paint by numbers or diamond painting? Or is this more of a quick thing you do while you have a few spare minutes? I don't know, it did start to get addicting though. I was supposed to be done with this video and then I thought I'll just color one more. So it says that this app is free with ads, but you need a paid premium membership for certain things like the draw your own mandala and coloring your own photo. I did not sign up for a free trial and I got all the features right away and didn't see any ads on the first day. The next day, however, I still had the special features, but I started getting lots of video ads in the app for other coloring and game apps. I got them out of this video though. So I think it's probably an automatic free trial of the special features, and once you've colored a certain amount of images or used the app for a certain amount of days, it tells you the trial is over and you won't get the special features anymore unless you sign up for the premium membership. Have you tried out coloring apps and what's your favorite one if you have? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.